For years, ArtistWorks has connected musicians like you directly with world-class artists through our pioneering video exchange learning platform. Now we've rebuilt everything from the ground up. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution in how musicians learn online. We've transformed our thoughtfully structured schools with clear paths tailored to your instrument and goals. Introducing the completely reimagined ArtistWorks. Our overhauled video exchange system makes getting direct feedback easier than ever. Finally, a platform that moves with you. Crystal clear streaming on any device, practice anywhere, anytime. Learn bluegrass with Grammy winner Brian Sutton, master the mandolin with Sierra Hull, dive into blues with Keith Wyatt.
To be honest, ArtistWorks is a game changer.
It's changed everything. I mean, I've been playing the guitar for 30 years now, and everything I do sounds better. It's improved everything about my playing.
Over 30 legendary musicians ready to guide your journey. Enhanced community features create meaningful connections worldwide. Share your progress, celebrate breakthroughs, and find inspiration. Whether you've been with us for years or you're just beginning, whether you play guitar, mandolin, banjo, fiddle, piano, this new ArtistWorks meets you exactly where you are and takes you further than you imagined possible. The new ArtistWorks, coming soon.